Welcome back to Amazing Quiz Games. Today's game is to check your knowledge of animals. This quiz looks easy, but 90% people fail at question 3. Let's see if you can survive till the end. Who can live in the coldest place? It's penguin. Who is heavier? Hippo is heavier. Who has bigger brain? Elephant has bigger brain? Who is most dangerous? Snake is most dangerous. Who is better jumper? Kangaroo is better jumper. Who can sleep standing up? Horse can sleep standing up. Who can sleep with one eye open? Dolphin can sleep with one eye open. Who is the strongest? Tiger is the strongest. Who has sharper eyesight? Eagle has sharper eyesight. Who can fly backward? Hummingbird can fly backward. Who is faster? CHEETHA is faster. Who can hold their breath longer? Dolphin can hold their breath longer. I hope you enjoyed playing this game. Make sure to hit the like button, share this quiz with your friends, and subscribe to Amazing Quiz Games for more exciting challenges.